Kayfabe meaning. What means Kayfabe? In professional wrestling, preserving the idea that everything is genuine, including the manufactured identities, rivalries, and storylines, is known as Kayfabe. This sometimes includes situations other than the in-game performance, such backstage video and interviews. The word Kayfabe is particularly used in the expressions keep Kayfabe and break Kayfabe, meaning to break the illusion. These expressions may be used to refer to an individual. Saying that a wrestler violated Kayfabe indicates that they stopped performing in the way that was expected of them. Or to other institutions, such as a wrestling organization. The WWE doesn't even bother to preserve Kayfabe in wrestling documentaries. His Twitter account is absolutely not Kayfabe, for example, which is another instance of the term Kayfabe being used. Outside of professional wrestling, the word Kayfabe is sometimes employed in situations involving upholding a false sense of reality. The phrase is still often used in connection with professional wrestling. When a wrestler is hurt during a bout, the wrestlers won't even breach Kayfabe.